Okay, good afternoon people. Today we are at Yishun block 605. Actually, okay, a while ago, right, I filmed Chup here. I think it was 2 to 3 years ago. Then today I'm back here, okay, because I know some of you guys asked me to do apeng, which is duck rice, okay. I am sort of doing a couple of videos around Yishun area. So today we actually popped by this place. Okay, this place runs out very early. If you guys seen my previous video, their Kway Chup run out as early as like, I don't know, like 12 p.m. So today very lucky because I sort of know the boss. He reserved some duck for me. So we're gonna do duck rice here. To me, right, their duck rice is one of the best in around this North Yishun area already. I haven't had a lot of duck rice. Wait, hear a lot of this. Don't know what. Okay, so I haven't had a lot of duck rice, okay, but to me, right, their duck rice is one of my favorites. Okay, at least in the north area, I think it's the best already. Okay, so we're gonna go in. I don't have my big plate with me today because today a bit last minute. I don't have my big plate. We're just gonna go plate by plate and see how many plates I could down. A little stretch for me as well because from my defeat the other time, I need to train a little bit. Okay, anyways, let's go in. We place the order and we see how it goes. Let's go. So we managed to order 15 plates. I'm not sure how many ducks they need to do 15 plates, but the serving, right, is very generous actually. Look at the amount of duck they put inside. Okay, but the duck looks very fatty though. Okay, I just want to start now. It's about 3 p.m. They are actually closing already, so I'm just going to start now. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, duck rice. Okay, this is really a very last minute impromptu kind of shoot because I'm just around the area and we decided to pop by. Very lucky. Fortunately, the boss is still, you know, we still in contact with him since 2019, and then we sort of got him to reserve a duck for me, reserve some meat for me so that I can eat this, so that I can at least film this video. Okay, so I remember for his duck rice, usually he will add the gravy on top of the duck, on top of the rice. But today he sort of separate the gravy because he's afraid that, 15, so many plates, it might get very soggy. So he actually separate a bowl for me. But usually I think he actually added it on top of the duck. 哪一个比较没有这样辣？好厉害！ I shift it towards me. I put it, but.
You can push it a bit more.
Okay, so we did weigh out each and every plate. It's very consistent, about 400 grams without the gravy. So in case you guys are wondering, my capacity for this kind of dry weight, which is like not ramen, this kind of dry item without soup, without a lot of gravy, is about 4.5 to 5 kg ish. bit more. Okay. I'm not sure how many plates, didn't count. 2, 4, 6, 7 plates in. I'm just gonna order like plate by plates from now on because okay, I thought that I could at least do like 15, but this boss here, this uncle here, is very generous. So I don't know, I didn't expect so much duck on like on each and every plate and so much rice. Okay, the rice right is this color because it's yam rice. They use a bunch of yam, so it's got this sticky texture, which is very fragrant. I like it. Oh, you're gonna eat Oh.
Okay, so towards the end of the video, you guys will see what's the total weight I've consumed. I wasn't really in the mood to speed eat that day because I came from another shoot, so I was pretty drained. But I did wanted a stretch. I wanted to stretch my capacity a little bit, so I did sort of eat a little bit longer just to just to get a stretch in.
Oh, I nearly choked. Oh. Why you laugh? No, I swallowed too big. Nearly choked.
Thumbnail this angle. I will more stacked up later.
Hang on here.要不要吃我请你？你拿出来。嗯。你有看我的 YouTube 啊？哇 I'm very happy. Uncle say he watches my YouTube. I didn't expect like people of his age will watch my channel, so I'm very happy actually. So how come like never ending one? I thought, oh, but already very strong. I'm not kidding. This one maybe the yam rice. It's a good stretch though.
This is the best I can do. How are you looking at it? Looking proper.
That's one plate.
That's one. Can need to have at least 4 years.
Okay. Exactly.
Chup sauce also, right?
No, it's not. Kway chop sauce is soupy. This is gravy.
Okay, so one thing that I really enjoy about this stall is the fact that the duck is very, very tender. Some places the duck is extremely tough. This one is not. It's very tender, very easy to eat, and that yam rice is extremely fragrant. But the thing about yam rice is it fills you up a lot quicker than white rice.
You can take some candy while I'm eating.
Okay. I think my quad's cramping. 3, 2, oh, it's that good.
I don't know what to do.
I think that's okay. Okay, stop. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that works.
So enjoy the rest of the video. I actually filmed this video and another one in 2 videos in Yishun actually. This duck rice and a bar chop mee stall, which I really like that one. So stick around. I'll talk to you guys at the end.
Oh! Oh, I cannot already, but just gonna push for, I don't know how many. Do I get one more? I can't. Alright, so we're done with the duck rice challenge. Initially I really thought that 15 plates is gonna be a walk in the park. But it's not. You guys can probably see from the video, they give very generous portion, be it the rice or the duck. And maybe it's also because it's yam rice, so it's a little bit more difficult, I don't know. Like I'm using a lot more water today as compared to white rice, because maybe it's a bit more sticky, but the rice is extremely fragrant though. I really enjoy the yam rice. Alright, so for those that want to come here and try, do take note that they start operating very early, and then usually at about 12 or 1, right, they will run out of everything already. Okay, so come early if you guys want to try. They are famous for their Kway Chup actually. Their Kway Chup is I think everyone comes here to eat their Kway Chup, but I like their duck rice as well. So this is why, and I'm friends with the boss, so this is why I just popped by, did a little training, get a bit of a stretch in, and also a duck rice video for you guys. Okay, so that's it for this video. The next video after this, I think is actually a noodle challenge. I think it's up there. And actually, I've been doing an exorbitant amount of noodles challenge already, but the next one will probably be it's an official challenge actually. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Stomach still pain. Stomach still pain.